Yes, bhaiya, it is started.
Okay, cool. Let's start then. So we'll be continuing our discussion for the ordinary differential equations. We were learning about the exact and inexact differential equations, right? Hello.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Yes, bhaiya.
So I told you like in last class we were discussing about the inexact differential equations and improper improper differential equations. We have some sort of methods to make the inexact differential equation an exact one. Like उसके लिए हमें क्या करना होता है, हमें integrating factor से multiply करना होता है. Like we are given an inexact differential equation. We will be multiplying it with the integrating factor, and then the equation will be exact equation, और हम उसको उन्हीं तीन मेथड से solve करेंगे. So I have a question for you all. What is the inexact differential equation?
Bhaiya, you are not audible. Not audible. No, bhaiya, you are not audible.
Uh, am I audible now? Hello?
Yes, bhaiya, you are audible
Oh,
now.
wait, wait. Okay, okay. I hope the screen is being presented and am I audible to you? Hello?
Yes,
Am I
bhaiya.
audible now? Okay, okay. Let's continue the discussion. Yeah. So we were solving this question.
Bhaiya, you are not audible again.
Okay, I hope now there should not be any problem. There was a Wi-Fi disconnection, and now it will be fine. Yeah.
Yes, Bhaiya, you're audible.
Guys, is the screen being presented?
No, not yet.
Okay, so here is our question. So we'll be calculating the value of del m upon del y. Again, you are not audible.
No, Bhaiya, you are not audible.
Hello, guys. Am I audible now?
Yes, Bhaiya.
Okay, great. Yeah. And is the screen being presented?
Yes, Bhaiya.
Okay. So we were calculating del m upon del y and del n upon del x. As we know that the equation is exact, so हम क्या कर सकते हैं? हम इन दोनों को equate कर सकते हैं. So we'll be equating. We'll get 2xy plus lambda x square is equals to 3x square plus 2xy. 2xy से 2xy will be cancelled. X square से x square will be cancelled. We will be getting lambda is equals to 3. तो हमें लैम्डा की वैल्यू निकालनी थी और उसके बाद हमें इस इक्वेशन का सोल्यूशन भी निकालना था. ओके, सो हम लैम्डा की वैल्यू पुट कर देते इक्वेशन में. इट विल बी समथिंग लाइक एक्स वाई स्क्वायर प्लस 3x स्क्वायर वाई टाइम्स dx प्लस x प्लस वाई इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर dy is equals to 0. And this equation is exact now, like exact तो पहले से ही थी, but lambda was missing, जो हमने निकाल लिया by knowing that del m upon del y is equals to del n upon del x. Now what we have to do is we have to solve the equation, and for that we know हमें पहले m को integrate करना है with respect to x, keeping y a constant. So if we integrate m, we will be getting xy square प्लस 3x square y. हमें इसको x के रिस्पेक्ट में इंटीग्रेट करना है, प्लस हमें n की उन टर्म्स को इंटीग्रेट करना है जिसके अंदर हमारे पास x नहीं है, लेकिन n की दोनों टर्म्स के अंदर यहाँ पे x क्यूब है और यहाँ पे x स्क्वायर y है. सो हम इसको इंटीग्रेट नहीं कर सकते. सो विल बी सिंपली राइटिंग 0 टाइम्स dy इज इक्वल्स टू सम कांस्टेंट. ओके, सो एक्स वाई स्क्वायर को हमें x के रिस्पेक्ट में इंटीग्रेट करना है. दैट वुड बी एक्स स्क्वायर वाई स्क्वायर बाई 2 प्लस हमें 3x square y को भी x के रिस्पेक्ट में इंटीग्रेट करना है. दैट वुड बी 3x square y अपॉन 3 इज इक्वल्स टू c. हम इसको थोड़ा और सिंप्लीफाई करके लिख सकते हैं x square y square प्लस 2x cube y is equals to c. I hope the question is clear. We have solved the equation and we also have found the value of lambda. Hello.
Yes, Bhaiya.
Okay, great.
It will be
So
three
moving
x.
on to the hello. Yeah, yeah.
It will be 3x cubed by 3. The second term.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Just a second. Okay. Okay. Are you guys able to see the PDF? Is it visible to you? Like the some integrating factor is written there.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
Bhaiya.
ओके तो हमें क्या करना है हम एक इनएग्जैक्ट डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन को इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर से मल्टीप्लाई करके उसको एग्जैक्ट बनाना है एंड दैट इज द ओनली डेफिनेशन ऑफ इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर लाइक इट इज अ मल्टीप्लिकेटिव फैक्टर व्हिच कन्वर्ट्स एन इनएग्जैक्ट और इम्प्रॉपर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन इनटू एग्जैक्ट डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन ओके लाइक हमारे पास जो फॉर्म होता है लाइक इफ m dx plus n dy is an inexact equation inexact in the sense del m upon del y will not be equal to del n upon del x okay सो हमें क्या करना है हम इसको इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर से मल्टीप्लाई करके इसको एग्जैक्ट बनाना है ठीक है सो हम क्या करेंगे हम पहले डेल एम अपॉन डेल वाई निकालेंगे एज वी डू डेल एन अपॉन डेल एक्स निकालेंगे और उसको एन से डिवाइड करके देखते हैं ठीक है और अगर वो एक एक्स का फंक्शन आता है तो हमारे पास जो इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर होगा दैट विल बी ई टू द पावर एफ एक्स का इंटीग्रेशन ओके लाइक हमें क्या करना है हम डेल एम अपॉन डेल वाई निकालेंगे डेल एन अपॉन डेल एक्स निकालेंगे इक्वेशन के अकॉर्डिंग हम उसको एन से डिवाइड करेंगे और अगर वो एक एक्स का फंक्शन आता है तो हमारा जो इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर होगा वो होगा ई की पावर एफ एक्स डी एक्स ओके का इंटीग्रेशन और हम इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे टू द गिवन इक्वेशन लाइक इस इक्वेशन में और फिर जो इक्वेशन है वो एक एग्जैक्ट इक्वेशन बन जाएगी आई होप इट्स क्लियर सो आई विल बी टेकिंग एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस yeah so we have a question and it says 2x log x minus xy. Okay, is the question visible? Hello?
No.
Yes,
I hope
And
it's
now
Bhaiya.
it's
Now
visible
it's
now.
visible.
Okay. 2x log x minus xy times dy into dx is equals to 0. Okay, guys, do one thing. आप इसमें मेरे को बताओ कि m की वैल्यू क्या है और n की वैल्यू क्या है? Like, what should I write? M is equals to what? Hello?
Oh, why?
Yeah, m is equals to 2y and the value of n is equals to 2x log x minus xy. So our very first step would be finding the value of del m upon del y. So del m upon del y that would be equal to 2 right and del n upon del x that would be equal to 2 times 1 plus log x minus y. I think it's clear. Hello?
भैया आपकी स्क्रीन पर नहीं आया अभी.
Okay, screen पर नहीं है. Guys, give me a second please. Okay, now I think
Okay,
it's
now I
visible.
think it's visible.
Hello, is the question visible to all of you?
Yes, Bhaiya, now it is. Bhaiya, you are not audible.
Okay, that would be 2 minus 2 times 2 log x plus y.
Bhaiya, your voice is echoing.
Yeah, I hope now I am audible.
Yes, Bhaiya.
Bhaiya, you are muted.
Okay, I think it's clear. कुछ नहीं किया है, just थोड़ा manipulate करके denominator से numerator cancel हो जाएगा, and I'll be left with minus 1 upon x, fine, and that is a function of x, fine. और अगर function of x आ गया है हमारे पास, so now I think we can calculate the integrating factor. That will be e to the power f of x dx. I don't know what's happening today. Sorry for that. गाइस आप लोग को स्क्रीन पे क्या दिख रहा है? हेलो.
PDF.
PDF.
Okay, PDF. And how about the word file now?
Yes, Bhaiya, visible.
Okay, so we were calculating the value of integrating factor. That would be integrating factor is equals to e to the power minus 1 upon x dx. That would be e to the power minus log x, like 1 upon x का जो integration होता है that is log x, और minus को हम power ले लेते हैं इसकी e into log x की power minus 1, that would be 1 upon x only. Okay, so अभी हमें क्या करना है, हमें इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर मिल चुका है, हमें इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर को इस इक्वेशन से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, सो दैट इट विल बी एन इनएग्जैक्ट इक्वेशन. और जब हम इसकी मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, लाइक 1 अपॉन एक्स की मल्टीप्लाई करनी है जस्ट यहाँ पे, सो वी विल बी गेटिंग 2y अपॉन एक्स टाइम्स dx प्लस 2 log x minus y times dy is equals to 0. Now what we have to do, हमें just integrate करना है with respect to x, m की term को, like 2y upon x times dx, plus इसके अंदर सिर्फ उन्हीं terms को integrate करना है जिसके अंदर x नहीं आता है. So we only have y here, that is minus y times dy is equals to some constant c. So okay, so what will be the integration of 2y upon x with respect to x? That will be 2y only, 2y log x, like 2y as it is, 1 upon x ka log x minus 1 upon 2y square is equals to C. So this is the final solution of our inexact differential equation. हमने क्या किया है, हमारे पास जो inexact equation थी, हमने उसमें से del m upon del y निकाला और del n upon del x निकाला. We had the formula कि हमें उसको n से divide करना है उसके डिफरेंस को, और हमने उसको डिफरेंस को डिवाइड किया, हमारे पास एफ ऑफ एक्स की वैल्यू आई. हमने उसको इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर निकाला, उसका इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर की मल्टीप्लाई की अपनी इक्वेशन से, जो कि अब एक एग्जैक्ट इक्वेशन बन गई, और सिर्फ हमने उसको सिंपली सॉल्व कर दिया. आई होप इट्स क्लियर नाउ. हेलो.
Yes, भैया.
Yes.
Cool. Okay, we have another type of question जिसके अंदर हम m से डिवाइड करते हैं. Like अभी हमने n से डिवाइड करके f of x like x की टर्म्स में निकाला. We also can do one thing, हम उसको y की टर्म्स में भी निकाल सकते हैं. Like that depends on question only. आपको like आपको इतने क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस करने हैं कि आपको एक आइडिया हो जाए कि हमको n से डिवाइड करना है उसके डिफरेंस को कि m से डिवाइड करना है. ठीक है. सो अगर हम m से डिवाइड करते हैं, विल बी गेटिंग सम फंक्शन ऑफ y ओनली, or so integrating factor, that would be e to the power minus f of y dy. So let us take an example of this. स्क्रीन पे क्या विजिबल है आप लोग को?
PDF.
PDF.
Okay, now I think the question is there. Like I have written question number 2. So the question is
Yes.
y to the power 4 plus 2y. You all can write it down like I'm speaking the question with myself, and you all can note it in your notebook. Y to the power 4 plus 2y times dx plus xy cube plus 2y to the power 4 minus 4x times dy इज इक्वल्स टू जीरो. ओके. सो हमको यहाँ पे m की वैल्यू क्या है, हमारे पास m की वैल्यू दिस वन लाइक m dx प्लस n dy इज इक्वल्स टू जीरो. ठीक है. सो m की वैल्यू इज y टू द पावर 4 प्लस 2y, एंड n की वैल्यू इज xy क्यूब plus 2y4 minus 4x. Okay, now please someone tell me what will be the value of del m upon del x. Like m को हमें x के रिस्पेक्ट में डिफरेंशिएट करना है. That would be,
0.
yeah, that would be
0.
0. And del m upon del y, what it would be?
3xy square plus
Okay.
8 plus 8y cube. My
No, no, no. We have
uh,
to differentiate m with respect to y. So that would be 4y cube. No.
m with respect to y. Yes, sir.
Yeah, that
M
would be 4y cube plus 2. And if we differentiate n with respect to x, what would we be getting? Like xy cube plus 2y to the power 4 minus 4x को अगर हम x के रिस्पेक्ट में डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं, we'll be getting 4y cube minus 4. I hope it's fine.
हाँ भैया. Yes भैया.
Okay, so we know that del m upon del y is not equal to del n upon del x. So the equation is inexact equation. So the equation is an inexact equation. और अगर equation inexact है तो हम क्या करते हैं? We just simply multiply it with some integrating factor. और इसके अंदर अगर हमें integrating factor निकालना है, we'll be calculating del m upon del y. Hello guys, is the screen visible?
Yes भैया.
I'm sorry, I don't know what's happening today. Okay, so could anyone please calculate the value of del n upon del x minus del m upon del y? Like we just have to simply subtract. We have to take the difference of both of the values. Like दोनों partial derivatives को हमें just difference निकालना है और उसको m से divide करना है. So would anyone mind trying this question? Hello, Are you guys
Minus
doing this
3y
question?
cube minus 6.
Oh yeah, it's fine. Just a sec. I think the screen is freeze, right?
Yes, Bhaiya.
Yes.
Sorry again. It's just fluctuating. I'm resharing the screen. Just a sec. Okay, so del n upon del x minus del m upon del y, that would be minus 3 upon y. See, this is a function of y. Now we'll be calculating the integrating factor, that would be e to the power f of y. Like if we find the integrating factor, it comes out to be 1 upon y cube. Like it's very simple. जिस तरह से हमने पिछले क्वेश्चन में कैलकुलेट किया था, लाइक यहाँ पे एक x का टर्म था, सो हमने x के टर्म्स में अपना इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर निकाला था, बट यहाँ पे y के टर्म्स में आया है, सो हमें सिर्फ y के टर्म्स में अपना इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर निकालना है, ठीक है। नाउ वी विल बी मल्टीप्लाइंग इट विद आवर इक्वेशन, दैट वुड बी y प्लस 2 अपॉन y स्क्वायर times dx plus x plus 2y minus 4x upon y cube times dy is equals to 0. Now we just have to simply integrate it with our three steps, like m को integrate करना है, n को integrate करना है, दोनों को combine करना है और उसको एक constant c के equal put कर देना है. So if we integrate it, we will be getting x x times y plus 2 upon y square plus y square is equals to constant. I hope the question is clear. Hello.
Yes, Bhaiya.
Cool. Let's move on to the third type, and it's like quite simple. If m dx plus n dy, if m dx plus n dy is homogeneous equation, like homogeneous, I told you in last class, no, like homogeneous equation, we know x and y, like the power of the x and the power of y must be same everywhere, and mx plus ny is not equal to 0. So हम अपना integrating factor निकालते हैं this is formula से, like 1 upon mx plus ny. We just have to find mx plus ny and उसका inverse करना है. So we have a question for this too. So here's the question. So the question is dy by dx is equals to x cube plus y cube upon xy square. सी यहाँ पे कुछ कंफर्म नहीं है कि ये इक्वेशन एग्जैक्ट है भी कि नहीं, या उस फॉर्म में है भी कि नहीं. सो वी विल सिंपली क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई इट. फाइन. So we'll be getting xy square times dy is equals to x cube plus y cube times dx. If we further solve it, we'll be getting x cube plus y cube minus of xy square dy is equals to 0. यहाँ पे dx भी आएगा. I'm sorry. Yeah. So here we have the value of m, that is x cube plus y cube, and we have the value of n, that is minus xy square. So we have to calculate the value of del m upon del y. That would be x cube का 0 हो जाएगा, y cube का would be 3y square, and del n upon del x. This would be minus. Okay, someone here. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Bhaiya.
Yes.
Can we distinguish n with respect to x? What will be the value? That would be simply be minus
Minus
y
y.
square, right? Yeah, minus y square. So we will be calculating the integrating factor. That would be 1 upon mx plus ny. See, this is not an exact equation. That's why we are calculating the integrating factor. And that would be 1 upon x into x cube plus y cube minus xy square times y. If we further calculate it, it would be simply x to the power 4 plus xy cube minus xy cube. So it will be cancelled. We'll be getting 1 upon x to the power 4. We just have to simply multiply our equation with this integrating factor. Like this was the equation, this equation number 1 was our main equation. हमें इसको सिर्फ 1 upon x4 से multiply करना है and the equation will be an exact equation. So 1 upon x to the power 4 times x cube plus y cube into dx plus 1 upon x to the power 4 minus xy square times dy is equals to 0. Guys, अभी तो कोई lag नहीं आ रहा है ना?
No, भैया.
And I hope
Yeah.
my voice is also clear.
Yes, भैया.
Great. So we'll be multiplying it like x cube upon x4. You cancel, okay, will be remained with 1 upon x plus y cube upon x to the power 4 times dx minus y square upon x to the power cube, and we have a 3 here. Okay, I'm sorry, like it will be cancelled, it will be this much only, times dy is equals to 0. Now we just have to integrate the thing and we'll be getting, okay, someone please tell me what would be the solution of this, like this term only, like 1 upon x plus y cube upon x to the power 4 को आपको x के रिस्पेक्ट में इंटीग्रेट करना है. So what would be the final answer? So we have Kakul, Pallavi, Rishta, Rudra, or Sakshi and Vatika. Like you guys please tell me what will be the final solution of this question.
Yes, भैया. Just a second.
Yeah, okay, take your time.
Log x minus 1 upon 3 x
Okay, 1
cube.
upon 3 will be getting y cube, like how many y
Y cube by x cube.
yeah, okay, y cube upon x cube is equals to c. Yeah, that's the correct answer. And I hope the question is also clear.
Yes, भैया.
नथिंग, हमने सिर्फ फॉर्मूला के अंदर वैल्यू पुट किया, वी गॉट सम इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर, हमने उसको अपने इक्वेशन से मल्टीप्लाई किया एंड इंटीग्रेटेड द इक्वेशन, we got our solution, fine. So now we have just last type of this integrating factor, like इसमें इसके अंदर भी कुछ नहीं है. If the equation is in the form of m dx plus n dy, we have हम y को अलग कर सकते हैं और f एक फंक्शन हो जाएगा एक्स वाई का टाइम्स डी एक्स प्लस एक्स इंटू एक और फंक्शन होगा एक्स वाई के टर्म्स में इंटू डी वाई. हमें सिंपली ये देखना है कि y के साथ डी एक्स के साथ y की कोई टर्म आ रही है और dy के साथ x की टर्म आ रही है. Then our integrating factor would be 1 upon mx minus ny. You guys, you just have to remember these 3 or 4 formulas, like this one, this, and this. And in case basis you will be solving all the questions. So let's take an example of this type. So our question is something like y times xy plus 2x square y square into dx plus x times xy minus x square y square times dy is equals to 0. I hope the question is visible. So you all can start solving the question. Like we just have to simply find an inexact equation, like wo to hai hi, but we have to simply solve this to an extent. So I will be trying this. Hello.
Yes.
Okay, so what we can do is हमें क्या चाहिए, हम we can divide the whole equation by xy. Like if we divide the equation by xy, we'll be getting y times 1 plus 2xy times dx plus x into 1 minus xy into dy is equals to 0. Let it be equation number 1. Now we have got the value of m, that is y plus 2xy square, like it's simply here, like y plus इसके multiply करेंगे y plus 2xy square. We have got the value of n, that is x minus x square y. We'll be calculating the value of integrating factor. We had the formula, no, like 1 upon mx minus my. So that would be something like 1 upon m times x. The value of m is this. So it would be xy plus 2x square y square minus n times y. So it will be something like minus xy plus x square y square. So ये simply cancel हो जाएगा xy से xy, and here we will have 1 upon 3x square y square. I hope it's fine. Like we have got the integrating factor, this one, and now we'll be multiplying our integrating factor with equation number 1. We'll be getting 1 upon 3x square y plus 2 upon 3x times dx plus 1 upon 3xy square minus 1 upon 3y times dy is equals to 0. Now we just have to simply apply our three rules, like we'll be integrating m with respect to x and n with respect to y, and just simply will put it equal to c, where c is some constant. So if I integrate with respect to x, I'll be getting minus 1 upon 3xy plus 2 upon 3 1 upon x का log x minus 1 upon 3. इसके अंदर x है, we will not include this in our formula because that's the rule only. So minus 1 upon 3 log y is equals to c. If we further solve it to some extent, we'll be getting minus 1 upon xy plus 2 log x minus log y is equals to b. See, why I'm writing b here? Like अगर ये 3 जो है ये साइड मल्टीप्लाई हुआ, it will be 3 times c. उसको just मैंने b से replace कर दिया, nothing much. Yeah. So this is the solution. Like हमने 4 टाइप के इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर्स को देखा. हमने just उनको मल्टीप्लाई किया with with the inexact equations, and we got some exact equations. I hope all the 4 types are clear to you.
Yes, भैया.
Hello. Okay. Okay. So moving on to the very last topic of this ordinary differential equation, that is Bernoulli's equation. It is some kind of like in the last class we learned about the linear differential equation. No, वो भी कुछ ऐसी type की थी. Like there were p and q, some integrating some constant. So ये भी कुछ ऐसी type के, like d some Bernoulli's equation is a very famous equation, and the form of this equation is dy by dx plus py is equals to q into y times n, where p and q are some constant, or we can say function of x, that can be reduced to a linear form. Like हमारे पास जो बर्नौलीज इक्वेशन होती है वो इस फॉर्म की होती है, और हमें पता है कि जो लीनियर इक्वेशन थी उसके अंदर q के साथ कोई भी टर्म नहीं थी. सो वी विल सिंपली डिवाइड दिस इक्वेशन बाय yn, and we will put 1 upon y to the power n minus 1 is equals to z. Okay, we will be dividing this equation with yn. So we'll be getting simply 1 upon yn times dy by dx plus p as it is y upon y to the power n minus 1. Like we had y here and we are dividing it by yn. So we'll be getting 1 upon y minus n is equals to into p is equals to q. So this will be the equation, और इसके अंदर we just simply have to put जो p के साथ जो भी term होती है हमें उसको z के equal put करना होता है. So, p के साथ the term is 1 upon y to the power n minus 1. ठीक है. So if we put this equation, if we put this factor 1 upon y to the power n minus 1 is equals to z, and differentiate it with respect to x, like 1 minus n upon y to the power n into dy by dx is equals to dz by dx. So हम क्या कर सकते हैं, हमने इसको इसकी वैल्यू हम यहाँ पुट कर सकते हैं. लाइक हमारे पास ये था ना dz by dx, we'll be putting it here. We'll be getting 1 upon y to the power n dy by dx is equals to 1 upon 1 minus n dz by dx. तो इक्वेशन 2 थी, लाइक हम जस्ट इसको थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई किया एंड गॉट दिस. सो हमारे पास 1 अपॉन y टू द पावर n ऑफ dy by dx ये यहाँ था, हम इसको रिप्लेस कर देंगे इससे 1 अपॉन n dz by dx plus pz is equals to 0. This was the type of like we just in the last class, yesterday's class, we learned about the linear equation. वो भी कुछ इसी type की थी, like dz by dx plus p times something is equals to q. So हम इसको थोड़ा और सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं. विल बी गेटिंग dz by dx, इससे मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं, like p times 1 minus n into z is equals to q times 1 upon n. That is a linear equation. I hope this is clear. Like Bernoulli's equation, it's also a very good equation which helps in solving the differential equations. Let us take some example of this Bernoulli's equation, and then only you will be able to solve questions. Okay, so we have the question number 5. So the question is dy by dx plus xy is equals to x cube y cube. See, we'll be further solving it. What we can do is we can divide this equation by x cube y cube. We'll be getting 1 upon y cube dy by dx plus x upon y square is equals to 1. Fine. What we can do now is हमें क्या करना था, x के साथ जो भी टर्म है, we have y square, x के साथ जो भी टर्म है हमें इसको z के इक्वल पुट करना था. So we will be putting 1 upon y square is equals to z. Now what like if we differentiate this thing with respect to x, we'll be getting minus 2 upon y cube, like 1 upon y square का differentiation is minus 1 upon y cube times 2 into dy upon dx is equals to dz upon dx. If we further simplify it, we'll be getting 1 upon y cube dy by dx is equals to minus 1 upon 2 times dz upon dx. और हमारे पास ये हमारे पास यहाँ था like 1 upon y cube dy by dx. हम simply इसकी जगह ये put कर देंगे जो हमने solve किया है. We will be getting let it be equation number 1. So we can say equation 1 becomes minus 1 upon 2 dz upon dx plus xz is equals to x cube. If we further simplify it, we'll be getting dz by dx minus 2xz is equals to minus 2x cube. I hope it's fine. And now it is in a very simple equation, like the linear order, linear first order differential equation. It is now. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Bhaiya.
Are you people following like what's going on? You have not been responding since last 5 minutes. So I'm a bit confused if you are getting the thing or not. Like you can ask me at every moment, any moment.
So yeah, in equation 1 on RHS we have written 1, or it will be x cube.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Yeah, it will be like we divided this thing x cube y cube. Uh, okay. We have divided it by one. Okay. Sorry.
Y
Sorry.
cube.
Y cube. Yeah. Fine. So yeah, we were solving this equation. Like this is a linear equation, and like last time we did no. So we have the value of integrating factor, that would be e to the power minus of 2x dx. Fine. Like z के साथ जो भी term था, that is the value of p, और RHS में जो भी the value था, that is the value of q. So if we find the integrating factor, it will be anyone can calculate it. Like what is the value of integrating factor? You just simply have to integrate this thing. Okay, that would be e to the power minus x square. And now we can simply solve it. The solution of the linear odd equation is given by z times integrating factor is equals to minus 2 times x cube, like q times the integrating factor minus x square times dx plus some constant c. Okay, so this is quite complex. So what we can do is we can put t is equals to minus x square. If we differentiate with respect to x, we will be getting dt is equals to minus 2x dx. If we substitute the values, we'll be getting z times e to the power minus x square is equals to t times e to the power t dt. See, if we integrate this like by parts, if we integrate this thing, we'll be getting t e to the power t minus e to the power t plus c. Simple. And what was the value of t? It was minus x square. So we'll be putting it like we'll be putting t is equals to minus x square, and the value of z, that was y to the power minus 2, like it was 1 upon y square, no? Yeah, here it is, 1 upon y square. So we'll be putting the value of z and t, and we'll be getting the final solution. That would be something like e to the power minus x square upon y square is equals to minus x square, e to the power minus x square minus e to the power minus x square plus c. If we further solve it, like e to the power minus x square सबके अंदर common है, so it will be cancelled out, and we'll be getting 1 upon y square is equals to minus x square minus 1 plus c times e to the power minus x square. You can write it at d also, but it's fine. Yeah. So this is the solution of this kind of Bernoulli's equation. So we have a very last question for this. So the question is x times dy by dx plus y times log y is equals to xy e to the power x. So now I want you people to respond and tell me how should I proceed. Like the hint is firstly we will be dividing it by xy. So tell me what will be getting if we divide it by xy. Anyone please? If we divide
Yeah.
this equation number 1 by xy, what will be getting?
Yeah, we should divide by xy or only y.
We can divide it by xy only. Like हमें what we have to do is हमें यहाँ पे जितने कम variables हो उतना ही like on the right hand side. So we'll be
Oh,
dividing it by xy only. So we'll
then
be
it
getting, yeah, yeah,
1 by y.
1 upon y
upon
by
y,
dx
y by dx plus 1
plus 1
upon
upon
x,
x log y
plus log y
Y.
is equals to e to the power
a
x.
to the
Fine.
power x.
Okay, so our next step is to put 1 upon x के साथ जो भी term थी हमें उसको z के equal put करना था. So we'll be putting z is equals to log of y. Now if we differentiate it with respect to x, we'll be getting 1 upon y dy by dz is equals to dz by dx. So simple, this is here, no, like 1 upon y dy by dx. We'll be putting this value, we'll be getting dz by dx plus e upon x is equal to e to the power x. I hope this is clear. Like कुछ नहीं किया है, सिर्फ dz by dx निकाला, वो हमारे पास यहाँ आ गया था, इसको substitute किया and we got some result. Now this is a linear first order differential equation. We have the value of p and we have the value of q. Like r जिस पे जो value होती है वो q की होती है. So we'll be calculating the integrating factor. That would be e to the power 1 upon x. X. It will be 1 upon x ka integration is log x, and e to the power log x is x itself. So, and the solution of this equation, like x times integrating factor is equal, sorry, this will be z here. Like we are taking in terms of z, no, like we have written z is equals to log y. So the solution will also be in the form of z, like z times integrating factor is equals to integration of x times integrating factor e to the power x dx plus c. Like this is the integrating factor and this is the value of q. I hope you remember the formula, like x q times the integrating factor times dx plus c. So if we put the value of z here, that is z times x is equals to x. What is the integration of x into e to the power x? That is x into ex minus e to the power x plus c. If we put the value of z here, we'll be getting, what was the value of z? It was log y. Yeah. So log y times x is equals to x e to the power x minus e to the power x plus c. So this is the final answer of our question, the Bernoulli's theorem one. So I can give you a homework problem. You will note it down or take the screenshot also. So the question is in the form of x square dy plus y times x plus y into dx is equals to 0. Yeah. If you want, if you all want, I can solve it now also, or you'll be solving it yourself only. Like it's upon you only.
Bhaiya, we will solve.
Yes,
Okay,
Bhaiya,
that's
we'll solve.
that's all from my side.
Thank you so much, Bhaiya.